gentlemen, we are the team to South Korea, and then we will start the presentation. Actually, what we design is the sound house, the smart speaker. There is a comment of warm sound is prepared only just for you, and it is more customized for the user's own life. Next. It is the inspiration of the design. Everybody know the lighthouse, isn't it? Yeah. The lighthouse not only has a beautiful structure itself, but also helps the brightening, and we inspired from them, and we use these factors of the lighthouse as a design the resources. So the smart speaker, the sound house we design, has a writing function for the users and many services to support users. Plus, it looks like a beautiful lighthouse. Let me see. So the smart speaker sound house will be always with you in your living room. Here, the next one. Also, every place you are, with you. And then, whatever you do, it will be with you. And the next part, our team engineer will explain it.
Okay. Let's see the inner parts. This is the video of exploded inner parts. And next, it is an enlarged picture of top parts when motor on both sides are working. Then the cap could move up and down. And this is that video. That is it. And next, this is an enlarged part of speaker. Then the next is the video of exploded speaker parts. And this video doesn't play, so this is end of inner parts. That's it.
Yeah, I'm going to explain the basic function. And there is a power button on the bottom. And if you touch the face, you can turn it on and off. And you can rotate the heads to control the volume. And if you rotate in clockwise, the volume gets bigger. And also, in the same time, the top is getting taller, so you can see the volume in a visual. And we have more special function. You can divide into user caring and IoT. For user caring, our device can pairing with other devices. So you can notice it's time to take a medicine, or notice the deadline for the text is just coming in a voice. And can allow you to wake up in the early morning, or you can make big noise to alert that some stranger in your home just come in later. And also there are many colors of our products, so you can choose anyone if you want. Anything you think the best one. So our device is just more customized to your life. So don't enjoy just the music, enjoy your life fully too. And thank you. Thank you.